Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set your Twitter in privacy mode. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So maybe just to explain exactly what this does and why you'd want to do it. The first thing it does is it stops anyone who is not following you from seeing your tweets. Anyone that tries to follow you will actually send you a follow request. So you have to manually accept people and allow people to follow you. Anyone that is following you cannot retweet your tweets to their followers because all of your tweets are locked. So only people that are directly following you can actually see your tweets. So the first thing we want to do if we want to do this is of course come to the Twitter website and be logged into your account. What we're going to be doing is coming to our homepage. We're going to be coming to the left and we're going to be looking for the more option right here. If we click this open, we'll have some more options and information for our account. For this video, we're going to be looking for the settings and privacy option right here. If we select this, we'll then be brought to the settings for our account. What we're going to do is come to the left panel here underneath settings, and we're going to be looking for privacy and safety. If we select this open, we will then get some more privacy and safety options for our Twitter account. We're actually going to be looking for the very top one here, audience and tagging. If we select this, the very first option here will be protect your tweets. When selected, your tweets and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. So what you can do is actually click here to enable this on. We will then get this pop-up to ask if you'd like to protect your tweets. Simply click protect and then your tweets will be protected. You will also have the extension option here for photo tagging, which will allow you to be tagged in other photos. By default, this will be off with protected tweets. However, if you'd like to click here, you can feel free to enable it and set it up like that. So once you have this set up, not a lot is going to change on your Twitter. It's hard to actually know you have this set up. However, to confirm that you have it set up, what we're going to be doing is coming back to our homepage. We're going to be clicking the profile option here on the left. And once we come to our profile, we'll notice it's fully in effect. If we come here to the top, right next to our username, we will actually see this small little lock icon, which basically means anyone that is not following us cannot see our tweets, and it just fully confirms that our Twitter is safe and everything is locked. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to secure and lock your Twitter. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.